everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a super cool 1972 Buick Skylark convertible. Great car, guys. I sold this car 6 years ago to a local gentleman. I originally bought this car down in Florida at a show. Very neat car, very good car, guys. Very original car. Car's only got, I think it's got 85,000 miles on it now. The gentleman I sold to, he put just over 2,000 miles on it in the time that he owned it. Said it was a great car. I just traded it in on a really nice 71 holes. But like I said, I bought this car originally down in Florida. The guy that I bought it from was the third owner. He bought it from a gentleman who owned it for 20 plus years. Car has been repainted, some little things done to it, but it has the matching numbers, 350 small block in it. Even the interior is all original. Very nice car, runs and drives excellent. I will tell you this, when I bought, I remember when I was down in Florida, I had my family with me, and we drove this car for 2 or 3 days down there. Great car. It's got air blows cold. Like I say, really cool car, really neat car, fun car to drive. It's got all the original T3 headlights. Again, it's an older restoration. There's some stone pecks. There's some things that you can kind of nitpick in the paint. But man, this is a good, straight, solid, original driver. I think these are the original bumpers, guys. Again, it's got all the original T3 headlights. This is the factory color, Stratomist blue. Again, this is the original interior. 85,000 original miles. Ton of documentation with the car. Again, there is some blemishes in the paint. And Craig, the gentleman that I sold it to, he added 15-inch wheels and tires. I know he said he just went through the brakes. As a matter of fact, I think there's receipts in there for that. But again, you can see a little fade, but I believe these are the original bumpers for this car. But he didn't do a ton to it. Added sway bars. He put bigger sway bar in the front and added a sway bar in the rear, so that it drives great. And these cars drove good anyways. Brand new BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Brand new 15-inch chrome rallies. Love those. He added those. That's a nice car. Dual chrome mirrors. This is a good looking car. I like these cars. I love the lines on a Buick. And like I say, they're good cars. Matching numbers, 350 cubic inch engine. Like I say, bone stock underneath the hood here, just like it would have come. Factory air that works, power steering, power brakes, 350 automatic transmission. Turn the key, point the direction, and go. Like I say, this car hits the road great. I had it on the highway. Again, that was 6 years ago, but talking with Craig, he said it's just been a great car. Factory air cleaner and valve covers. Yeah, I like the lines on these cars. I mean, I just think they're really cool. Got a great look. And this car is clean. If I remember right, that's a remote mirror. Door handles have definitely been replaced. Like I say, this is all original. Power windows. Again, the door pad, you know, you can nitpick it, but again, that's original. Even the carpet, guys, that's original. It just tells me that this has always been a nice car. Somebody's kept this car, well maintained it. He added the steering wheel, the factory one's in the trunk. Again, 85,852. That's your original miles. Factory dash. It's got a aftermarket AM/FM radio in it. Factory gauges. Power top, power windows. Flowmaster dual exhaust. Stock 10-bolt rear. It does have box control arms on it, and he's added sway bar to the rear. And again, he added a big sway bar to the front, so the car drives excellent. Factory jack with spares in this trunk. There's your jack, spare. Again, this is your original steering wheel. Here's all your documentation. There's pictures of when they were painting the car. All your original owner's manuals. Here's some receipts. There's your original copy of the original title when the car was bought new. Dealer brochures. Good car. And like I say, runs and drives great. When we drove it, it just hit the road good. Of course, you're down there in Florida, so you got the heat to deal with. Of course, at the show, you had traffic to deal with, and this thing did great. See, there's a stone peck right there. There's one on this side, too, I'm going to show you. I think it is. There's one right there. You start pulling that off, Jordy, so we can put the top up. Show them the top. Again, air blows cold. So you just kick your air on, like I say, it blows cold. Really hits the road good. Yeah, I just love the look of these cars, man. The fenders, just the body lines, I think are just super cool. Gauges are all functional. Gonna start putting that top up. Huh? Yeah. Now this is not the original top. It's been replaced. Glass rear window. That's good, Jordan. Top fits up nice. Again, the boot's there for it. Move your shifter handle a little bit. Yeah, I know the backup lights work, yep. Good car, man. Nice thing about the boot tops on these cars, they fit up nice.
Radio can't find us.
Can't, oh, it might be the, there it goes. It's in the antenna, probably, or in the windshield, so it's probably the building. Doors open and close good. That's just a good, honest old car right there, man. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. You can also check out our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys.